Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel and thank you for checking out this video. For today's tutorial, we are going to show you guys how to create custom floor design using parts in Revit. But before we start, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell and leave a comment down below. Thank you. On the plan view, let's create a floor. Let's choose a floor type with a finish thickness. Let's go to the 3D view. Then we select the floor, click Edit Type. On the structure assembly, we can see that we have the 50 mm thickness and the 175 mm thickness. So if we click Preview, this is the section of our floor type with the slab in the top finish thickness. So on this 3D view, we have selected the floor. We are going to select the Create Parts icon above. And then, notice that the finish thickness is now visible in this view. It is like they are separated and we can select them separately. Let's go to our Level 1 view, and click the Visibility Graphics. We have to make sure that the part category is checked. Let's test it out if we can click the parts of our floor element. Notice that when we select the element, it is indicated as floor on the Properties palette. Then what we are going to do is adjust the view range under the Properties palette. Then on our view range, we can see that all is set to level 1. On the bottom offset, let's set it to -1000 mm. The same with the view depth level offset. Then let's select the floor element again. Notice that on the Properties palette, it is indicated already as parts. Then on the ribbon, click Divide Parts, then a new set of icons will appear. Click Edit Sketch, then we can draw the pattern that we want on the floor. Notice the green broken lines. That will be the boundary of the drawing plane. We just have to draw the pattern beyond the broken line. We can delete the lines outside the broken lines. Then, click the Finish Edit mode. If we want to change something or add on the pattern, just select the parts, then click Edit Division. Then click Edit Sketch. Let's add some lines to our pattern. Then click Edit Finish mode. Notice that the line here did not appear. Let's go back to the Edit division. Then click Edit Sketch. We will just need to extend the line beyond the broken line. Then click Finish Edit mode. So when we draw the pattern, we will just need to extend it beyond the broken lines. But if it's an enclosed pattern, it can be inside the broken line. Then we are going to show how we apply a material to the parts. So when we select the parts, under the Properties palette, uncheck the Material by Original. Then click the material and select the material you want to apply. Then just repeat the process to apply material with the other parts. In our plan view, let's go to the visibility graphics. If we uncheck the parts, the pattern will be hidden. Then in the 3D view, if we also uncheck parts on the visibility graphics, it will also be hidden. Let's go back to the plan view, then select the floor and click Edit Boundary. Let's modify the profile of the floor and see what happens with our pattern. Let's turn on the parts on visibility graphics. The pattern is still there. Let's edit the boundary once more. Notice that the material that we apply will disappear. Let's try to restore the original profile of the floor. The pattern is still the same, but the color or the material that we applied will disappear. And it will go back to the default material of the floor. On the 3D view, let's turn on the parts on the visibility graphics. See, that is how to create a custom pattern or design on the floor using the Create Parts tool. There are more possibilities on how we can use the Create Parts tool. All we need is to practice and explore. Alright, that's it for now. We hope that this tutorial has helped you guys in understanding how to use the Create Parts in Revit. Please comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions of a tutorial that we should do. See you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.